I do not fish the rivers or lakes myself, but in my day I have accompanied 4 fine salmon anglers. All 4 of them made their own minnows to match the sky and the water. 3 of them are fans of South Kerry rivers: Bob O'Connor, Junior Dial and George Gairner. The 4th angler, Arthur Drugan, could take 30 minutes to tell you the story of a salmon that had only took 10 minutes to land on the bank. And Arthur would not have wasted a word or a minute. He fished the Laune, but his first love was the River Feale. The River Feale flows from a lot of little streams. By the time it comes to Abbey Feale, it's a fine, steady flow of water. It flows through another town, Listowel, before it meets the sea at the Cashin, Ballybunion. Junior Dial from Tralee is an inventive sort of man. He fishes big fish, he's very self-reliant, and I never once heard him asking for advice. If the lure could be improved, Junior did it in his workshop. Junior does not suffer from snag lines or poorly hooked fish. He does not tell stories of the ones that got away. Maybe they don't. Bob O'Connor is another dedicated angler. He doesn't go and catch whatever the river offers. He knows all the pools, he waits and he watches. Bob is a Killarney Laune specialist. I photographed him once near Dunlow Castle. A Swiss angler was with him. It was the only time I saw an angler wearing a necklace of large salmon. George Gairner is different. He fishes for fun. He knows 2 Kerry rivers, the Laune and his beloved Lower Caragh River, near Glenveigh. George landed the 2nd largest salmon ever hooked on the Lower Caragh. He fished for pleasure of enjoying the unspoiled countryside and the sparkling water on the Caragh. I leave you with an Irish blessing. Slánta Bradán agus gob fluch. I'll explain that to you in a minute. In English, it is wishing the angler the health of a salmon and a wet mouth. God bless you all.